Okay, bye, pizza pop. I'll see you in 5 minutes. She is very pretty, so thank you. We don't really. I see what you mean. She is very pretty though, so thank you. Does the carpet match the drapes? I'll do it on my Instagram. I'm looking 5.5 in men's size. I love this song. Thank you all for the follows. Go follow my Instagram. It's Riley M Jenn. Thank you all for the follows. Emphasis on foreign. Thank you, Justin. You're very sweet. Y'all go follow my Instagram, Riley M Jenn. Is that a child? Max, can you click on that? That guy looks young in the picture. I'm not putting on ankle socks, no. Thank you, Chris. You're very sweet. He doesn't. He literally looks like 11 from where I am. What time zone? It's 7:54 where I am. I don't know. He's somewhere up there. Thank you.